Good day, friends. Welcome to Fat to Fit. Today, we are going to talk about a very powerful yogic technique, Tadasana. Tad meaning the palm tree. While doing this asana, your body posture becomes tall and strong, like the palm tree. To do this asana, first stand straight with both your feet at distance of 2 inches from one another. Now lift your hand till your shoulders, keeping your palms facing each other, and then interlock your fingers together. Now slowly bend your wrist outwards. Now taking a deep breath and slowly lift your arms up above your head while keeping them in line with the shoulders. Keep your body steady in this position. Now slowly raise your heels up from the ground and stand on your toes. Without losing your balance or moving your feet, stay in this position for 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe in and out normally. Stay in this posture. It might be a little too hard to maintain your balance in the beginning. To help achieve this, you can try focusing at single point in front of your eyes. Doing this asana regularly will help you improve your balance. This asana helps in getting rid of the congestion in your spinal nerves. It helps to improve the posture of your body and also strengthen your thighs and calf muscles. You should refrain from doing this asana if you are suffering from any heart disease, vertigo, or varicose veins. After staying in this position for 10 to 15 seconds, slowly let your breath out and lower your heels back to the ground. Slowly release the interlock of your fingers. Bring the arms down and come back to the standing position. Practicing this asana regularly brings stability to your body and mind. I hope you found this video valuable and stay connected with us to know more about information related to health sciences. Jai Hind.